Hey, Paul. Hey, guy. You want to do a pistol war real quick?
I don't have any gas. So.
You don't have any gas?
What's up with those glasses, dude?
What's up with those glasses?
What kind of glasses are they?
They're built in to the fast helm. Yeah. Yeah. I'm crouching real hard now.
Are you recording this?
Yeah.
Hey, guess what we're doing today?
Hostage.
Airsofting with full part 6.
No, I'm doing, because I got face cam. I'm going to risk it. Should I risk it?
Yeah, risk it to get the biscuit.
Alright, I'm going to risk it. Head. Thanks for covering me, Hunter. This way, guys. Look at where my hand is. They're right there. I really gotta take a shit. Ah, fuck! Ah! Out of the way, you fatty! Shot a potato. He can't hit you.
No, don't shoot me. I'm trusting you, Noah.
Guys, I got Jared pinned. Get him! Load the potato! Wolfie! I got you. Ah! Banana! Nee. Banana! Oh! Oh! Oh!
Grenade!
Ah! Shit! There we go.
And that's the most anticlimactic fucking move.
God damn it!